Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is rainy and stormy here in Arkansas today. The thunderstorms and all of that great stuff. So if you hear the thunder, I do apologize. I will let you know you will hear my heater. It is rather cool with all the rain and everything. Today's video, we are going to go over Sugar Lips Shop off of IG. I've been watching FabFitMama, Christine, talk about this company for a while. And then Elle Niggs also did a unboxing review on this also. So I want to check it out myself. Yes, I have opened it. I have looked at everything. I haven't put anything on yet, so we're going to try that out today. But I want to see what they're all about. I did get a mystery bag, a hemp lover lip gloss, a lip oil, and 2 lip scrubs. That was my order, so it does come in this little plastic bubbler package. And then inside, it is wrapped in tissue paper, and it does have their little logo sticker on the front. So we're going to unwrap this. The makeup mystery bag, they pick your bag. You don't get to choose one. I do like the bag that she sent to me. It is a square makeup bag with the all 4 points laid out flat makeup bag. So it is cute and adorable. I do like that. I will use that. It does have lots of room inside, as you can see. Not so much for palettes, but the rest of your face, definitely. All of my paperwork and everything is inside. It says, thank you. Don't forget to share on Instagram, #SugarLipsShop. Please feel free to leave a review. And then it says, Rebecca, thank you so much for your order. We are so excited for you to try our product, Sugar Lips Shop. So, yes, my name is Rebecca. I do go by Becca, but that is okay. And then my invoice of what I got and my little note taking down here. Everything comes in its own little cute drawstring bag, which I don't really keep these bags, but the presentation on it is cute. And then inside is their business card. And then there is everything that y'all need to know. So, the first thing I ordered was the lip oil, and it was $4.99. Now, on the site, it does show a picture of 3 in a hand, so I was not aware that it was for 1, but either way, it's okay. This is what it looks like. It did leak in transport here. It does have glitter in it, which is a cool added feature. It doesn't come out, but it's in there none the same. And it's a regular doe foot applicator. So I'm going to take off my lipstick. It does smell like peppermint. I can already smell that. I wonder if there's a plumper in this. That's what it smells like to me. But if you can see the component around the top leaks. It's running down the side down here. So that will have to stand upright on my vanity to use. It does feel nice for an oil. So I do like it. I do not, however, like the component and the fact that it leaked upon getting to me. You can see how much product is gone. With it leaking, it won't last very long. But this was $4.99. The next thing I ordered was 2 sugar scrubs in the flavor of strawberry, and for the pair they were $5.50. That is what they look like, and they're in little chapstick containers, which is cool and different. So let's wipe this oil off. And try one of these. So it's just a sugar crystal. Well, they're very soft. It squishes all down and around. So again, that's a little wasteful on product, but it doesn't taste bad. It's very sweet. But it's not bad. Woo. Lightning out there. There's y'all some Arkansas weather. Mother Nature is not happy. Okay. Sorry, guys. So, my lips do feel soft and smooth. So I'm not mad at that. It's just, it is a little messy. I do like the fact that it's in a chapstick container though. You don't have to stick your fingers in there and get it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, and then the last thing that I ordered was the Hemp Lover lip gloss. And that is what it looks like. It's just a green glitter gloss. And it's a flat doe foot applicator. I do like the glitter. So it's got no color. You can see the little specks of green. And you can feel them too. They're not bad. They're not great big chunky things that will turn you off from wearing it, but you can feel it. But I'm not mad at that. I will definitely use that. And it's cute. I love their packaging. Their packaging is adorable. Okay, so then for my mystery bag, you get a mystery fabric bag, and it retails for $14.99. Like I said, they pick your bag. And then the things that I got inside my mystery bag were these 3 items. So we got a Grease Lightning lip gloss in neon yellow. This retails for $6. My lips are going to be mad at me by the time we're done with this video. Again, the flat doe foot. This is a very bright yellow that doesn't seem to have the color So it just looks, do y'all see color? Maybe we need to put, do y'all see yellow? Okay, so I don't see the yellow, but it is a nice gloss. Summer will be coming, and while I'm not real big on gloss, I do wear it occasionally in the summertime mostly. So $6. That glitter does spread around when taking it off. If you can see the little glitter spot above my lip. And then we have Rich Man's World. This is a clear lip gloss that retails for $5.50. Hi, Miss Belle. Again, the flat doe foot. This one's a lot thinner. I know that sounds weird, but this is a lot thinner than that yellow one was. And it's just a nice clear gloss. So, all right. And then the last thing we got was this, and it is the Pretty in Pink lipstick. And this retails for $7. It's not a horrible color for as far as pinks go. Did that lightning wake you up, Miss Belle? Did it? Okay, so there's that color. We're gonna see if it dries down, because I don't know if it's matte or not. I do like the color. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel like I have anything on, so that's nice. So it's still drying, but the retail value for my mystery bag that I paid $14.99 for was $18.50. And even if I don't like and use all of the glosses, I do love the adorable bag. Now, does that mean that I spent $15 for a bag? I don't think so. I think I will actually use this lipstick's nice. I know I will be using this. And the clear gloss, you can always use clear gloss for anything. So we kissed this hand earlier, so let's try this one. Okay, so it does dry down matte, which is nice. Let's try that Hemp Lover lip gloss over the lipstick now. So there's those together. I do like the glitter in this. I like the green glitter. I don't know if it comes off on camera as so, but it's definitely there. I can see it. So yeah, am I happy? I enjoy some of the products. Like I said, So, there's some more weather from Arkansas. Scary. Okay. So, now that my heart is well and cardio is up, the lip oil I like the feel of it. I like the smell of it. I don't know if there's a lip plumper in there, but there may be just that. I am upset that it leaked, and I'm upset at the component for leaking out. I am not getting all the product that I paid for. Should that stop you from trying it? I don't think so. I think lip oils are essential, and I like lip oils way better than I like lip gloss. The sugar scrubs I will definitely be using. They are a little messy, but it's not as messy as sticking your finger in that jar and getting it under your fingernails. So I like how they thought outside the box with this and did something different. The Hemp Lover lip gloss I adore. Once you have your lipstick on and put it over the top, you no longer feel the glitter, so that's a plus for me. I do like this. I love the lipstick color that was chosen for me. It's a little more pink than I usually wear, but at the same time I like how it looks. The clear gloss. Always love some clear gloss. The yellow gloss, I'm not so keen on, but yellow is Samantha's favorite color, so I will be gifting this to her and she'll love it. So anything over $30, they ship. Your shipping is free. Please use the code FabFitMama for the time being. I am going to be working on getting my own code. I hope that my review did not sway that one way or another, but if it did, do I suggest buying from Sugar Lip Shop? I do. The way they come across, the shipping was great. It was quick. I made my order that morning. By that afternoon, my order was already in the process of being shipped. The lady who owns it, and I'm wanting to say her name is Samantha also, but I could be wrong, so don't quote me on that, but she was very nice when I made my order. It is a married couple team, so do go over, do check them out. They are on IG, and do go over and check out FabFitMama. You will also see many more reviews and updates with Sugar Lip Shop from her. El Niggs also did a review on this if you want to check out his channel also. So thank you guys. Do comment down below if you want to try out this company or you have, and what your thoughts were. I would be interested in what you have to say. And if you liked the video, please do give it a like. It really does help the channel out. Subscribe if you have not already. I would absolutely adore that. And until next time, as always, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.